This is for all Trump lovers and Trump and JD Vance, okay? I don't care if you're gonna hate me, and I just really don't care. So I don't care. So the debate was Tuesday, and Kamala won hands down. Love her plan, small businesses and everything else. And then, of course, I don't want the government telling me what I can and can't do with my body. So, with that, Trump was debating, and then he does what he does best, and he lies. And I don't know where he came up with this lie, and JD Vance. Springfield, Ohio, supposedly immigrants are eating dogs and cats. Well, I'm from there, from Springfield, Ohio. There is nobody eating pets here. So I don't know where they came up with this shit, not at all. But if you keep doing stupid shit like that, then you need our services. It's Rsquare Media. Our phone number is 646-249-3561. Bye.